Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to Spuds and Crackers. Today I'll be opening up this LOL pet surprise. It has 15 surprises inside, and it also has these little pet babies inside of its stomach. There's about 2 or 3, and it looks so cute. At the back, it shows the back of the cat, and at the front it shows the front of the cat. And now let's get this open. I'm gonna open it with these scissors if I need them. So yeah, good luck with that. Oh, okay. Okay, and I just need to cut all the tape off, too. Alright, it looks like it's almost out of the box. Whoa, that is a mess. Just cardboard right here. It seems like it's stuck, so luckily I have my handy scissors. And I can take that off. Here is our kitty. It seems like there's a little opening, sort of like the regular LOL balls. And, oh yeah, there is. So yeah, let's try opening this. This one's harder than the actual LOL doll. Oh, okay. I think you probably just have to start from the bottom. Yeah, you have to mostly start from the bottom. Alright, here we go. Let's open this up. A little hat. Oh, and it looks like it's a little piggy bank too. It also has this little rope thing. So cute. I think it's sort of like a backpack. Yeah, it's sort of like a backpack. So when you like wear it with you, it could sort of be like a little backpack, so you could keep your money with you when you go places, so you could buy stuff with it. So here he is. It looks like a little tail. It's a little cat. Sounds like there's stuff in it. But first, let's look at the features. She has pink bangs, mostly orange tabby. She has one pink shoe and one yellow shoe. Her little tongue's sticking out. She has green eyes too. And at the bottom it seems like that it could open up. So I wonder how much I think the babies are in there. Alright. So I have one of these. It's a bunny. And it's sort of like a little piggy bank. Here's 1, 2. Oh, all the surprises are inside of her. There's so much blind bags. What's this? Oh my. Here's this stuff too. Oh my goodness. What's this? It's stuck in here. It feels like, I'm not sure. Alright. It's almost out. This is a big surprise. Alright, there we go. Here's a little basket thing. And this one looks like a box. How much stuff is in here? More blind bags. Well, it looks like there's more than 15 surprises in here. It's another same thing, sort of. Oh my goodness. Alright, it's almost out, this one too. Oh. There we go. Now there's another prize here. looks like there's no more in her. So let's put the cap back on. Yeah, there's no more. So let's put the cap back on our piggy bank. And yeah, let's just open up the toys. The prices. It looks like this one. What is this? Oh, it looks like a little collar probably. Alright, let's set all our trash aside here. And looks like that. Oh, that's a little charm bracelet thing. Oh, so cute. What's this? Oh, it must be a keychain thing. I'm gonna show you guys. It's just this guy. It's a cute little gender whatever thing is. What is it? I think we'll find out soon. I think it's supposed to be like a little spinner. I think we have 2 babies. Okay, now there's like this really weird plastic stuff I can't get off. Alright. Yeah. It's my oh, there. Sort of just like the ball when we opened it up. Alright, I see. I get it now. Alright, it's almost open. Alright, and now, oh my gosh, what is this? Is it like foam or something? Oh my goodness. Here's a surprise. Ugh, it's really buried in here. It's blue. Or is that black? I think it's blue, like a navy blue. What does it look like to you guys? Alright, it's almost... Oh, I'm starting to see a different color. I think it's orange. It's almost out. Oh, man. Aw, it's a cute little kitty. Aw, check it out. Oh, it looks like a puppy too, but it's actually a kitty. And its tongue is also sticking out. Very cute. I wonder if this one, whoa, goes on it. Alright, let's see. Oh, it looks so cute. I wonder if there's another one that actually matches it. Alright, here's the blue one. Oh, it opens just like the red one. Okay. Ah! Okay. Oh, this time it's pink. Ew. This one looks way grosser than the last one. This one? This one looks exactly like her little mommy. This is like foam. Sorta. Oh my gosh. This one's a puppy and this one's a bunny. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Alright, so this one came inside of its little bed here. And this one went in this little bed. How does this stay? Alright. Let's open up this little box that says free puppies, free kittens. It's so cute. Up right now. How do you open? Goodness. That's why it was heavy. I thought it was... Alright. This one's blue. This time. This one's a dusty blue. Oh, dusty light blue, sort of. And it's... This one's stuck in there. Let's try getting it out at least, though. We cannot give up. This is thick stuff. Is this another pet? Oh my gosh, it's 3 pets. Little pet things. What is this? But this is quite small. Oh, look at it. It has yellow and it's sort of like a tannish color. What is it? Goodness. It's really stuck in there. Alright. It's almost out. Whoa. That is hard. As hard as a rock. Not exactly. Alright. This may take a moment of the video's time. I'm gonna see if these handy... No, these do not work as pliers. Or whatever they call them. Get them out. Okay, that actually helped. It just nudged it out a teeny bit. I need my scissors again. Alright. Oh, looks like it's a little bunny. Oh, look how cute. It's a little baby bunny. Oh my goodness. Alright, is there anything else in here? No? Is it just sand? This sand stuff? Oh! It seems like there's one of those little orange keychains things. Yep. That's a lot of sand. I really need to scoop this out of the video. That's messy. Yep. It's a little box now. I'm gonna sweep this out really quickly. Alright, we still have way more surprises to go. About 5, I'm not sure. There's a lot. Everything's falling. Alright, let's put the baby. Alright, now, this one's a small surprise, feels like. Ah! Okay, that's fine. Oops, okay. That one fell. Aw, look how cute. I think this is for a bunny. Yes, it is. It's so cute. Or is it for the dog? Which one doesn't match more? I'm not sure. Should we switch them? Nope, this one definitely belongs to to the bunny. I meant it matches it more, way more. Alright. Now, let's move on to another. Oh, I got a little shovel scooper. I should have used that for the sand instead of my scissors, which I thought were handy. Alright, I got a cute little yellow bunny scooper. Time for this one. What is this? It's like a banana. Oh, I think this is Mommy's. The Mommy's? The ball thing? I'm not sure what it is. This is hard. Alright. I think it's supposed to be a little keychain thing. Yep, these are probably just keychains. Or does it have like these little things on it? Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe those things are for to put accessories on it. Alright. Aww. This one is so cute. It came with a cute tiny little thing for the baby, I'm pretty sure. Maybe a little accessory for the pets. This is way too big. Alright, this looks like a tutu to me. Maybe the dog? I'm not sure, maybe it's just necklaces. Alright, okay. Get rid of that out of the way. got cute little shades for one of the pets. That's too small for that one. Yeah, any pet could wear these shades. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's hilarious. Giant shades. Alright. We have another scooper thing. And it's supposed to be for another one. It's a bone this time. It's sort of transparent, you can tell. Cute. And the last one. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is a huge little bone purse. It must be the dog's. Oh, that's so cute. Alright. So, this was our collection for today, I'm pretty sure. I think there's more. Oh my gosh, there is more. Okay, it looks like there's some instructions in here as well. Okay, okay. Let's try getting this one out. This little instruction thing out. Does this work on this paper? Oh, yes. There's little instruction things. Alright. So, yeah, looks like instructions on what you could open it. Put on sunglasses. Yep, that's where the sunglasses belong to, the little bunny. Little baby reveal thing. I don't think we need this at all. It's like baby reveal, Biggie Pets. I'm not sure. I don't think I need that. Maybe I do right now. I'm not sure. So we have gotten Neon Kitty, and we have Neon Bunny too, and I'm Ultra Rar. Oh, that's cute. Alright, I'm gonna see how this works now. Where's the baby reveal thing I just threw? Okay. It must be this glass thing. It looks like I got these two. I got a puppy and a bunny. Really cute. I don't need that. Alright. Let's open this up. Okay. A little collar. It's so cute. Oh, it's supposed to be for Neon Kitty. Okay, let's put it on her then. Let's put it on this way so I can see. Alright. This looks really cute. It seems hard to put on though. Yeah, I should probably just leave that. Because it'll end up taking forever. Oh, I actually got this one first peg in. I have one more peg for it to go in. So cute, right? Alright. Let's open up these other things. Oops. My bad. Let's put all the surprises in here right now, focusing on the big kitty. The big surprise right now. So, yeah. Swipe it in. So, let's open this up. Aw, it looks like little sunglasses that you could wear. That she could wear. Oops. How's that? Is that supposed to happen? Alright. these are apparently too big. I think these are for human bodies only. Ah! Okay, this is like the sticky type of plastic, which gets stuck to your hands whenever you're trying to look at it. All right. Oh, you know what? I think it's supposed to say the message on that little thing I just threw. That would probably show it better. Yep, way better. All right. So let's put this in here. And I wonder what this is. It's probably, I'm pretty sure it's to keep it on your head if it's for little kids, I'm pretty sure. I have one more thing in here. In the surprises. So, what we have here is a choker little necklace thing. I'm not going to put this one on this time because, yeah, that would just be too challenging. I think this is to make it smaller. I keep on dropping things for, little kids. I'm not sure. But it has like this little bronze, gold, little patterns in it. There's a little heart. It's like a light blue, sort of like this, okay? Too. And the glass is also sort of like hot pink. Super cute. And one more thing before we end this video is we got the unicorn. Yes. What her message thing says is, "You're unbelievably sweet." And this is her thing. And she's so rainbow, and she smells like, I'm not sure, I think it's like chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate. She smells super good, and she has a little gold horn with a galaxy sort of hair, pink, purple hair. It's really cute. Alright, I'm so glad that you guys joined me today for this really cool unboxing video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!